Welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you're having a good time. For this video, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of chefing. I know I'm big chef still, I'm just a try a thing, as I say. So I'm gonna do right now French fry up some chicken. So these are all the ingredients: some leader vegetable oil, jerk season, all-purpose jerk season, all-purpose. And I've used pepper, scallion, and onion, one egg, not how much egg, some baking powder, flour, and some chicken, and some water. Yeah, you need water for the one because I'm gonna do like crispy French fried chicken. So in order to get it crispy, I have to use the water. Alright, stick around. Hope you enjoy. As you can see, finish clean up the chicken. Alright, looking good. Take off all the skin them off of it because I know skin not really good pan chicken. Alright, so yeah. Most people don't realize that when the skin dip on the chicken, it have one whole of fat, not fat, slime underneath the skin, and the slime will contribute to cancer and everything there, you know, so when I clean off the skin off of my chicken and wash it off, wash off the slime them. Alright, so put things together now, season it up on thing and see what I go on. Alright, so there now, season up the chicken and thing. I'm gonna use all-purpose. Alright, and get one cork in it. Over it still, no? Alright, and add some of the jerk. Jerk in it, spice it up a little bit. I love screw off my cork and throw it because sometimes I have a little black pepper seed every night. Pepper seed them can't come through them little hole. So easy. So I'm gonna say so we'll screw it off, screw off the cover, and throw it out. Throw it out tonight. Maybe when I say I use too much powder season, maybe when I say hey, no barbo slime I get cancer and I use too much powder. Season up. Nice when you have more season upon it still. Alright, so get them out there, yeah. Use them early. Alright, so kind of rub in them a little bit. Rub in them. Alright, then marinate. Go underneath the skin. Get into the skin. Sometimes I like give them a little juke. Because normally you know, I blend up some season, I blend up the skin and the onion and everything, pepper and everything, I use a blend up season and season it and make it soak like overnight. But because I do a little quick something, I don't have to do it that way. So you board through, so some of the season can soak. I board through some of them have the enough flesh. Eat a little semi board, season can soak through. Yeah. And not much, I don't worry about chicken or fries. Huh? No, I feel too much. Alright. Marinate that back again. Alright. Pepper you know. As I say, would I blend up everything and everything blend up and season, but because I never blend up everything, so normally when I pepper at night I season it up, but the pepper now I use in I cut up pepper in I oil. Soon get to that part there later still. So alright. That go and soak this up. Alright, so that go on that. Alright, so next step, line up the oil pot and thing with the oil go on. Alright, soon come back. Alright, so line up the frying pan now. I use this fried chicken good enough for some reason because all them kind of old time frying pan there. Old time things are always work better. So this is a frying pan, but this thin man, this can't fry chicken and this I go burn up. So I have to use that one. Okay, like this. Alright, so make the pot hot first before I throw in oil in it. So get a better greatness to it, understand? Put down the pot on the fire, fry things. I always remember to make it hot first before I throw oil in it. Especially when you fry egg. When you fry egg, you make the pot well hot first before I throw the oil in it. The egg we stick less. I understand, so make it hot first, a minute or so. Then I throw the oil in it. In the meantime, I'm going as this one now. Then I go cut up and go in the oil. So I cut up this, the onion. Onion I cut up go in the oil, pepper and the scallion. I make them burn out in the oil to kind of give the oil a little flavor because when I get to blend them up, I put them in the chicken, so as I burn them in the oil, burn out some of my flavor in the oil. Should have garlic too, but I don't add any garlic on it. You see me? So that's a go on and alright people. So alright, so cut up the scallion, the onion, the pepper. Alright, so I'm going to the oil finish hot some more. Alright, so one way you can know when the oil hot, you can either some water by your finger, make a one drop, drop tonight, and once I do that, you know say hot. But more like that we burn out. You can look in it good, and normally in the oil hot, see like some bubbles. Yeah, come up or like some heat like, but the water dropping out a while ago, so you go see other bubbles, but you can look and see like some steam kind of float around on the oil. So at around next week you can know the oil hot. So throw off this tonight now. I understand. So I want the water run off of this tonight now. I'm gonna try pepper. I wash me and good when we're done. Try to scoop up this. make that one burn and just let them get black. You take them out. Yeah man, you have to take them out tight. You can't make them stay night. And understand, bro. Take them out, just want to burn off a little flavor and I add. Yes, them a get black. Alright, make them a go and burn a little more. Then you come back, alright people. Alright, so, alright, let us go and burn same way. So, turn down some of heat. Alright, I'm going to prepare up the flour here now. So, baking powder. No fancy baking powder in the back, so I have some in one bag, so I'm going to throw off some in there. Me, personally, I don't like onion and scallion and anything there to eat. But somebody who like eat them things, this would be a nice snack. Meanwhile, you're going to fry a chicken. But me, don't like eat them. Can't cook without them, but can't eat them. So, nice crispy onion and scallion. I'm going to munch pan. And a plate there. But me not like that. This I get dashed. Over this. Alright. So fire turn because I'm gonna prepare this. I don't want the oil get too over hot. Alright. Egg now. You need a container for the egg. So I'm gonna do it stage by stage now. So I'm gonna broke this. In that like so. That's right, trash. With the waste scallion and onion. Enough people are gonna waste, I waste it, but so it's set up. Stir this now. Alright, people. Stir this. Some people use the egg white alone. Some people use everything. Me, no serious if I use egg white alone, so I just mix up everything and use it. You see me? Alright, so let's start this one. So I'm gonna do and I'm gonna do a wacky dip. Take up this, right? And I cover it now, layer this. Cover it now the egg white like that. Soak in. Chop it this so. Take up more because the oil like it hot enough, so I'm gonna have to try it before up. So chop it now that. I'm gonna try dip everything and put in the flour at one time. Do that. Do it again. Before I say I dip my hand in something dirty and my hand them clean because I wash them. I just never show it in a video, so I wash my hand them first. Chop that in there so. Alright. Chop that again. get this in them bone creases. Drop that. So I'm gonna do a deep mix now. I try to move faster people because the oil hot. I don't want to make the video too extra long now because the video already long already, so I try to move a little fast. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna do now. So the next part right now, forget the crispy. Remember I'm telling you I do the crispy chicken. So I'm gonna put on the man because let me turn off the fire 1 second. I don't want the over hot, so I'm gonna know get off some of my excess off of this. Alright? Hold on there. Let me get them out of this first because I'm gonna use the flour. Shake off excess fat, chop in a oil. Shake off excess fat, chop in a oil. Water, yeah man. Have to dip in the water to get the crisps. You see me? So that's the way. That's one of the way to get the chicken crispy when you fry. So I say people get off the excess fat. Alright, so and get this even up and now. Butter. Try to make the oil. Come on, turn over some pot. Wait, don't turn over, you know. Alright. Alright, people, so I make this go and fry. Alright, so give it about 15 minutes or 10 minutes on the side there. And then I'll come back and I'll go turn it, get the next 10 minutes. When I do that, I'll cover it up, but now fully cover it up. Make each side get 10 minutes roughly. Then I'm going to eat a cover like this, so more side cover but each still come through. We kind of get a little soak. You see me? I want it soak out a little, so 10 minutes on each side first. Alright, so soon come back. Alright, so I'm going to use it. Alright, so turn the next side, so make it first turn already, so this side, the other side now. So you can see, crispy already, and I finish it. So this side I get 10 minutes, the next side I'll get the next 10 minutes. Alright, so next 10 minutes finish, and we'll drop the cover on it. Really forget to talk about my first, and I say right, salt, never use a salt on it because And you can see some use no powder season, and then powder season in Jamaica and then full of salt. So you don't want over salt, so in essence I use no powder season and then use salt on it over there. So that for that. Just get for next minute. See what I'm going on so. Come on. We get our next minute. Alright. Drop it on it. Drop the cover on it. Cover can't go straight the clips, so come off or something. Alright, so cover can't go on here now. So drop this over it. I'm gonna lower the heat. Alright, just like that. Lower the heat. Make it take time and soak 10 more minutes. And then I'm supposed to eat that. Alright, my people. So 10, 20, 30 minutes in all to fry it. So check your back soon. Alright, my people. So miracle of time. This is how I come to now. Alright. So what I'm gonna do? Get the strainer. So plastic strainer this too, but you know, it's strong. A long time I have to use it. And I use it to do this and nothing happen to it. Come like, well, nowadays I'm make things and make them good. Come like this I make from years ago and then put it on and then members have to sell it. So it are going good. So this is my other teeth now and all the way I do this. So they never get destroyed. So what I do? Left back, fry island left back. So this is how the restaurant them do. Show off the island strainer and use it back. Cook food and give everybody else. And people think it's a brand new island use every morning. People, the restaurant don't need to stop doing it. You know the things are expensive, but we buy the food and I beg it. So save up the money and buy a new aisle. Stop use old aisle and fried chicken next day. You know good for your chest. Alright, I thought that way. Alright, so what I'm gonna do? I left this. You sit down on this for about 5 minutes. Drain off the excess aisle. Alright, so see aisle drain off already, so give it 5 minutes and come back, people. Alright, people, so this is the finishing touch. Alright, so take it out of the strainer off the aisle outside. So